फिलर क्या करता है?
किसी फेस को देखते हैं, what makes it beautiful? So
क्या
forehead 1/3 to the nose 1/3 and your chin 1/3. Then it is a well proportioned face. Indians के chin छोटे होते हैं. So putting a filler in the chin actually balances your features out and makes your face look more attractive.
एंड एस्थेटिक्स के लिए कोई अनकॉमन एरियाज नहीं है जहाँ पे लोग करवाते हैं?
People concentrate on their face and they forget the neck. Nowadays they've started working on the neck but they forget the hands.
Which is the right age to start?
17, 18, 20, 22. As soon as they can sign their own consent forms, they are ready.
17-year-old, isn't it bad? Okay, what percentage of clients that come to you for aesthetics, उनमें women कितनी होती है, men कितने होते
10 years ago, it would be 75 or 80% women and 20% men. I think we're at 60-40 right now.
हैं? Men सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सी चीज़ों के लिए आते हैं, women सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सी चीज़ों के लिए?
50 to 60% for hair and the rest 40-50% for skin. So,
Fillers का one of the complication blindness cause हो सकता है.
so basically क्या होता है कि
हम सबको हेल्दी स्किन चाहिए, इसीलिए हम लाए हैं एक स्पेशल सीरीज जिसमें हम बात कर रहे हैं एडवांसिंग स्किन हेल्थ फॉर एवरी स्किन स्टोरी विद सेंसिटिव स्किन एक्सपर्ट सेटाफिल। इस सीरीज के लास्ट एपिसोड में हमने बात करी थी एक्ने, पिंपल्स, सनस्क्रीन, हेल्दी स्किन रूटीन्स और स्किन फ्रेंडली डाइट के बारे में। आजकल बहुत लोग सेलिब्रिटीज़ को देखते हैं एंड बोलते हैं कि उनके जैसे फीचर्स एंड फेस चाहिए। किसी सेलिब्रिटी के लिप्स बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, किसी की स्किन बहुत अच्छी होती है, किसी को अंडर आई नहीं होते, किसी की जॉ लाइन बहुत अच्छी होती, और ये सब आप भी करवा सकते हो। ये पॉसिबल है विथ इंजेक्शंस, फिलर्स एंड टॉक्सिन्स। बट क्या ये सेफ है? इसके साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स क्या होते हैं? अगर आप फिलर्स एंड टॉक्सिन्स के ट्रीटमेंट लेते हो तो कौन सी एज सही है ये लेने के लिए? किन लोगों को लेना चाहिए? अगर आप अच्छी डाइट फॉलो करते हो तो भी आपको ये लेना चाहिए कि नहीं लेना चाहिए? एंड इनकी कॉस्ट कितनी होती है? एंड लॉन्ग टर्म इफ़ेक्ट्स क्या होते हैं आपके फेस और स्किन पे? एंड इनसे आपके फीचर्स और फेस में क्या क्या रिजल्ट आ सकते हैं? इन सब के बारे में हमने बात करी है आज के इस एपिसोड में विद डॉक्टर मिकी सिंह, डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट एंड कॉस्मेटोलॉजिस्ट, जिन्होंने हमें बताया इस पूरी प्रोसेस के बारे में फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टिल दी एंड। तो अगर आपको इंटरेस्ट है अपने फीचर्स इन्हांस करने में एंड जानने में कि इससे क्या क्या साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं या क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स हो सकते हैं, तो ये एपिसोड एंड तक ज़रूर देखना एंड मुझे कमेंट्स में बताना कि आपने इस एपिसोड से क्या सीखा। ओके, तो फिलर्स और टॉक्सिन्स होते क्या हैं जो हर किसी को आपको डालने हैं, ऐसे लगता है कि इसमें ये कर दूँ वो कर दूँ?
So I think सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि लोगों को टॉक्सिन एंड फिलर दोनों के बीच में डिफरेंस ही नहीं पता है।
मुझे भी नहीं पता।
Really?
हाँ बताओ।
अभी we've got a face and we have expressions and we're constantly expressing. Now think of it as a cloth or a कपड़ा। Constantly जब आप कपड़े को खोलेंगे, मुचेंगे, खोलेंगे, मुचेंगे, उसमें क्या पड़ जाते हैं? सल हो जाते हैं या क्रीजेस आ जाते हैं, राइट? सो द सेम विद आवर स्किन, व्हेन यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली एक्सप्रेसिंग, तो आप देखते हैं कि कुछ दिनों के बाद यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग लाइंस ऑन योर फेस, है ना? And these lines initially are dynamic. Dynamic matlab they come when you're expressing. So when you are angry, you get the 11 lines. When you're surprised, you get the forehead lines. And when you're smiling, you get the crow's feet, जिसे हम कहते हैं. And after some time, you realize these become more permanent. By which I mean कि जब आप express नहीं भी कर रहे होते हैं, ये lines दिखती हैं.
Okay.
So now what a toxin does is it relaxes your muscle. So even if you wish to contract it, you're not able to do it. And when you're not contracting it, obviously the skin on top is getting some relief. And hence, you delay the formation of static lines or lines जो permanent होती जा रही हैं. Now, a lot of people think कि जो toxin है वो एक certain age के बाद use होता है, which is not correct. क्योंकि भाई एक्सप्रेसिव तो कोई भी हो सकता है. सो आई हैव सीन वेरी यंग पीपल इन देयर 25s and 30s having these lines because they're constantly expressing, and you have someone in their late 40s and have no lines at all because maybe they're people who don't express too much. So entirely lines are how much you express.
Okay. फिलर क्या करता है?
बहुत सारी चीज़ें करता है. Right? So another thing, the moment you use the word filler, सबसे पहले लोगों को लगता है मेरा फेस फिल हो जाएगा and मेरा फेस चबी लगेगा या फैट लगेगा. But that's not true actually. Filler जब सही तरीके से किया जाए will actually slim down your face, it will contour your face, and it will balance your features out. if it's put in correctly.
Okay.
Like for instance, अगर हम किसी भी as dermats or as aesthetic physicians, जब हम किसी face को देखते हैं, what makes it beautiful? So you have all those beauty ratios that are there. So you know the most common one is 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. So
क्या
forehead 1/3 to the nose 1/3 and your chin 1/3. So if your face is equally divided in thirds, then it is a well proportioned face and it will automatically look beautiful to the one who's seeing. So most beautiful people whom we think are beautiful have a very well proportioned face.
Okay.
So but if you see, as Indians, we're a chin retrusive community. हमारे
होता है
chin
ये?
छोटे होते हैं.
अच्छा.
ये छोटू chins.
Indians के.
Indians के है
Okay.
ना. So putting a filler in the chin actually balances your features out and makes your face look more attractive.
Got it.
So maybe if you have higher
Tough.
cheekbones, you reflect light and it kind of slims down your face too. So because that's what we do with makeup, no? Why do we use a highlighter on the cheekbones? Because it's going to reflect light. That's going to look higher. Then the area below is going to look lower. See, it's all about proportions. It's a play of light and maths. So, you know, when people hear of the word toxin, botulinum toxin, they get scared.
हाँ मतलब सुनने में
डर लगता है. But it's not, you know, you'd
कि
be
मैं अपनी बॉडी में
surprised.
टॉक्सिन्स डाल रहा हूँ.
Toxins are there. No, you'd be surprised. It is used in children as young as 2 years old to treat cerebral palsy. Right? These are more therapeutic uses. It could be used for excessive sweating. So you have people who sweat a lot in their hands. You know, and they're not even able to hold a pen. So it could be used for that. Underarm sweating के लिए भी use हो सकता है. It can be used when you clench your jaw too much. You grind your teeth and, you know, your muscle here becomes really large and you start getting headaches. It can be used for that. It can be used for migraine. There are so many indications. Unfortunately, लोगों को पता नहीं है. तो ये पता होना ज़रूरी है.
But majority आपके पास as an aesthetician and beauty के लिए तो people would be coming for lines only. Majority.
They do come for all of this, and then we educate them. We tell them, listen, these are also
the
things,
things.
because many people don't know कि migraine can be treated with the toxin, right?
Tell me, toxin अगर डालूंगा तो expression less नहीं हो जाएगा?
Depends आप कितना डालते हैं.
मतलब like you said कि expressive face होता है, right? जब मैं
And
अगर ऐसे हूँ तो people need to see this कि this is I have a different expression.
And I absolutely
और अगर मैं
agree
अभी
with
डाल
you.
दूँ और इसको straight
इसको
कर दूँ, मैं
straight
कितना
कर
भी कर लूँ ये नीचे नहीं आएगा, then it's
So now
bad.
there are some people who like it. I've had patients who say, listen, I don't want expressions. I don't want a single line on my face. I don't mind
क्यों?
looking the way. Maybe for them, the expression isn't as important as the line. The line bothers them more. And then there's someone like me. I'm like, listen, I need to have my expression. How will I tell my children मैं नाराज हूँ?
हाँ.
उनको पता ही नहीं चलेगा गुस्सा आ गया
Exactly.
मामा को. So, but does that mean I don't do it? No, I do it. But I do it in moderation. I do it. I save expression, but I've relaxed the muscle little bit so that I have pushed my aging a little bit.
So we'll go deep in this. Okay, but tell me सबसे पहले कि most common areas कौन से होते हैं जहाँ पे लोग fillers and toxins कराते हैं?
Well,
In your practice.
in my practice, no. So it's again, you can look at the demographics. So the younger lot.
Younger lot मतलब कितना young?
So you know, it'll be surprising. So it'll be surprising, you know, people again with fillers, they think, you know, you do fillers जब आप बूढ़े हो गए हैं. Yes, fillers can be done at a certain age to lift your face also. So for lifting. So, you know, when you're sagging and the face is seeming like it's sinking and gravity has played its part, that's when fillers can be used to try and lift the face and contour it. In the younger lot, it's more contouring. So, you know, I have girls who come and say, you know, I'm not liking my profile on my Instagram pictures. It happened. I promise you.
I know this happens. But
This happens, right? So the younger lot is, you know, maybe I want a sleeker.
How young?
22 Instagrammers. They'll come and they'll say, listen, listen to this. Snatched jawline. Texas jawline. So you have a very sharp cut jawline that needs to be seen. So, and it's usually seen in their profile picture.
Texas jawline.
Texas jawline. Even I heard this for the first time. Do not ask me what it means. I have no idea. The next, see, I'm telling you, it's all your lingo. No, I'm learning from my kids every other day. It's amazing.
Snatched jawline.
Snatched jawline. So a snatched look is, you know, where your jawline looks really cut, sharp,
Okay.
razor cut, and then high cheekbones, top model look, That's something that's very popular. So, you know,
क्या होता है इसमें? ये ऊपर
so you want, yeah, no, not here. This is medial. So it's more here. So you see models, they have this.
I don't know
this
why I've
area
not
being-
noticed, but I will next time.
I didn't know till I heard the word top model look, and I'm like, okay, what happened there?
Okay.
So, you know, models have really high cheekbones, and most of them are highlighted using a highlighter.
Okay.
So that's something, and it looks really nice when you take a picture from your profile view on Instagram and all of that. So that's another thing. Lips are picking up, catching up.
What age bracket?
Any age group, all age groups. So anytime.
22, 23-year-olds.
17, 18, 20, 22. As soon as they can sign their own consent forms, they are ready.
17-year-old, isn't it bad? Come on.
Okay. Why? Explain. If you have a girl who has really thin lips and is conscious about it and wants.
That's what my problem. Like it's a question कि आप बहुत जल्दी
Aren't
बहुत
they
सारी
all?
चीजों पे insecure हो रहे हो यार.
Aren't
Like
they
that's just
all? What to do? They come with their parents, they come without their parents. I actually have to ask for their ID proof to make sure that they can sign their own consent form. They do come, no?
17, 18-year-old.
Not as much.
But like
20s,
20 to
20s
20.
easily. Just to look attractive, I want a little pout.
I know like
all
a lot
the
of people do that.
celebrities, yeah.
And I know a lot of people do that. I'm just saying, don't you think it's bad?
So many things are bad. I think giving internet to kids is so bad. But क्या करें? Instagram नहीं सिखाया है इन बच्चों को. Let's do lips. So the younger lot come for all of this. And then you have the middle-aged and the slightly aging population.
वो किसके लिए
My
आते हैं?
age. We just want to look a little more attractive, less sagging, less tired. So these are things that I hear a lot nowadays. So I do hear patients coming and saying, you know, my under eye is looking very tired. So when I sit in meetings, people ask me कि आप सोए नहीं क्या रात भर? So that's because, you know, maybe you lost volume there, skin has started sagging, you started aging. And this is one of the areas that is the first to show aging, the under eye. Loss of volume, and it tends to get sunken. Yeah. So
Happens with me.
yeah. So then a
Because I
little
sleep
bit,
very less, yeah.
yeah. So then, yeah, it's not always just the sleep. It's also nutrition, weight loss, just aging. A lot of men come in saying, I'm looking very angry. That's because these have come in, you know, the lines. So they didn't do anything early on, and the 11 lines have become pretty much permanent. So they look like they're always frowning. So they look angry and they want to look nicer at their workplace and not so intimidating. So that's something.
And
that the
uncommon
middle-aged-
areas जहाँ पे लोग करवाते हैं
Fillers.
fillers or toxins.
Uncommon for toxin तो मैंने आपको बताया था जैसे, you know, we can do the masseter to slim down the face to reduce the.
ये uncommon है.
This area people don't know yet.
Okay.
We're educating, of course, and it has a therapeutic indication also, because when you're grinding your teeth, you end up getting a headache.
Yeah.
So it helps that ways, but it also tends to slim down your face. So, you know, sometimes women have a little boxy face or really broad, and they want to make it more oval and attractive, and that can be used. So these are more uncommon. Hyperhidrosis used to be uncommon, it's becoming quite common now.
Hyperhidrosis क्या होता है?
Excessive sweating, sorry.
Okay, हाँ तो
So
ऐसे
बहुत ज़्यादा पसीना आता है. So बहुत ज़्यादा जब पसीना आता है, especially in the hands, you know, they're not able to hold their pen also, or they feel very awkward कि
Yeah.
हाथ मिलाना है and my hands
बहुत sweaty
sweaty.
होते हैं. Yeah.
So, you know, these are not really aesthetic, but, well, they make life better.
And aesthetics के लिए कोई uncommon areas नहीं है जहाँ पे लोग करवाते हैं. It's all usually
much,
face
yeah,
only.
yeah.
Look, not hands.
No, they do for hands. So you've lost. So, you know, they say hands are the telltale signs of aging.
हाँ उल्टा करो
Because-
हाथ तो दिखता है.
दिखता है. So what happens many a times is people concentrate on their face and they forget the neck. Nowadays they've started working on the neck, but they forget the hands. So you'll suddenly see someone looking really young on the face, and you look at their hands, वो अजीब से लगते हैं, you know, they've lost volume and stuff. So I think a lot of people are coming in and saying कि I want, you know, to restore the volume that I have lost in my hands. So that
Then
kind
you
of
fill
works.
that.
Then you can put in a little product.
And you said कि young लोग आ रहे हैं आपके पास, and here's my question
A lot
for it.
more.
Okay. Now, do you think कि जो maximum लोग आपके पास आते हैं वो किसी न किसी चीज़ के लिए थोड़े insecure होते हैं, under confident होते हैं?
I think so.
So do you think then the bigger problem is कि उनको under confidence पे work करना चाहिए, not on
Which we try and tell them, we listen to them, and that's why I think in my field a good consultation is very important. So people do come and they say, I want to do my lips, and I'm thinking, okay, what are you thinking? No, I want lips like this movie star, and I'm like, no, I cannot do that for you. One, because those look good for her.
Yeah.
They may not look good on you. What I can do is I can counsel you. मैं समझा सकती हूँ कि आपके लिए best क्या है. And then I would appreciate कि you stick to that because that's going to look good. It's not like a cut and paste rule कि इसने किया वैसे ही same मैंने करना है. Then everyone.
And
that
lips
comes.
के लिए they come for the most, और कि chin ऐसा चाहिए, jawline ऐसी चाहिए.
Jawline भी, jawline ऐसे दिखनी चाहिए, cheeks ऐसे दिखने चाहिए, nose ऐसी दिखनी चाहिए. Right? So they
there's
come.
a trend कि thick lips are like.
Have you heard of this Russian lips?
I've not
Those are
heard.
really,
क्या होता है Russian lips?
Very, very large lips.
Okay. So it's real कि वो लोग भी कुछ करवाते हैं treatment.
Obviously कराते हैं ना. The technique of injecting is the Russian lip technique where it's like really there.
That's just growing. So
It's
people
going-
come to you and
have
be
you
like,
heard of the fox eye lift? Where
क्या
the
होता है
eyebrows
fox eye
are. So foxy eyes. So you have patients coming for that also. So they see these trends, they catch on to it, they come with it to you, and then they say कि हमें ऐसा कराना है. Many a times that is not something that I like, and I don't encourage it at all because it's not like a one rule fits everyone. हर person का face अलग है, अलग चीजें उन पे suit करती हैं. So I ask them, what is it आप चाहते क्या हैं? What is it that you're looking for? And then we can work around it to suit you best. And that's really important. And that's why the consultation is also important.
क्योंकि हर चीज़ हर किसी को अच्छी थोड़ी लग सकती है.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
But सबको वैसे ही दिखना है.
The sad part is everyone's only talking about the ones that have gone wrong. A good job is undetectable. It looks natural. It just makes you look nicer.
I have friends. I have friends who have done this, a lot of fillers and toxins, and तुम पता नहीं कर सकते. And they look really, really gorgeous, men and women both.
You just need to know how much. So you have to have a good doctor who will tell you where to stop as well.
किसी को अगर कोई problem नहीं है, तो कौन सी age में कराना चाहिए? Which is the right age to start?
So see, the thing is, my mum used to say this. हर चीज़ की एक उम्र होती है.
तो
कुछ भी हो लाइफ में ना. Unfortunately, वो उम्र ना धीरे धीरे कम होती जा रही है. हर चीज़ की. Like हमारे टाइम में I got my phone when I was in college. And उस टाइम पे that was a big thing. My तो 9-year-old wants her phone now. Now how do you deny her? Because everyone else has it, security, so many things. So who is to tell? Who is to decide? This is a little bit,
As a dermat, as a doctor.
See, as long as it does not harm you and you can consciously make that decision on your own.
I don't think
Who is to tell?
18-year-old is, at least when I was
Yes.
thinking about myself, मैं सबके लिए तो नहीं ले रहा. But as an 18-year-old, I don't think people are conscious enough to make
Enough
a
to
choice
make a
that they are
choice.
secure or insecure in their body and what they need to change.
They need to change, but they take so many other decisions at 18, na? And we are allowing them to. So we learn
But like
from our mistakes.
artificially
it is-
injecting something is like little.
Injecting what?
We will come to that. मैं बड़ा problem ये नहीं कि fillers safe है कि नहीं है. Problem I'm not even talking about. I'm like बहुत जल्दी. Why are you getting in the loop where you start seeing faults in yourself like very early
And
on
what
before even
happens-
you trying
okay,
to actually
fair.
work on yourself on some other things.
Correct. Now, do we consciously tell them to wear certain clothes and not wear certain clothes? I give my kids liberty. At 9 and 13,
Let
I've
them.
told them, go pick what works for you. Like,
You
it
can't
is.
compare like wearing clothes with like
Why
doing
not?
fillers and
But
toxins.
why not is my question. Why not? It's the way you look. This is what I want. It is my independent decision to look this way. I like to wear crop tops, or I do not like to wear crop tops, or I like to wear a hoodie and I do not like to wear a hoodie. I would like my lips to be a little bigger. They will eventually go back to being normal. So I guess at 18, I think if you can drive a car, you can probably vote at 19.
Yeah, you can vote.
If you can
drive
choose who's going to run your country, I think you can pretty much. I think you should be able to be able to take the decision that I want to get a little lip filler done, or I want to get a chin enhancement, which is going to make me look nicer, and I'm going to feel good about it. She may not feel the same a year and a half later, and which is fine. It can be dissolved. It can be dissolved in 5 minutes, and it's gone.
We'll work. Let's talk on that. How does अब कोई patient आया आपके साथ, like as a person come, I walk in your clinic. What do you tell me? I'm like, hey, you know what? कि I am happy with how I look. मैं बढ़िया दिखता हूँ, मुझे अच्छा लगता है, पर मुझे और better होना है. अब आप बताओ क्या कर सकते हैं? What do you tell them then?
Well, first I understand that how do they think कि वो better हो सकते हैं? Is there anything that bothers them or that does not work for them? या उनको कुछ समझ आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा?
From your beauty lens.
Then from my perspective, then I tell them, see, this is what I think you could do.
Okay, tell me. Let's say rate my skin out of 10.
Perfect, yeah.
अरे नहीं. Rate my skin out of 10. What would you rate as a dermat? Like put your dermat at, be very honest and be blunt.
No, I would rate your skin at about... See, now skin, there are many things. There's quality of skin.
As a dermat, सामने देख के क्या लग रहा है?
अच्छा लग रहा है.
तो 5, 6, 7, 10, 9, what?
7, 8 आराम से.
So you're being kind. Let's say 6, 7.
I'm not kind generally. Huh? You've got good skin. So I'm just
okay,
being
so
honest.
let's say 7.
So see...
बाकी लोगों ने मुझे 2 लोगों ने 6 नंबर दिए, एक ने 7 दिया. You also gave 7. Okay. क्यों 3 मार्क्स डिडक्ट किए? व्हाट मिसिंग यू फाइंडिंग?
कोई परफेक्ट नहीं होता उतना.
हाँ, तो आपको क्या लगता है ना एज अ डर्मेट?
So see, I would say, like you said, you want to get perfect. So see, overall contours look nice. अभी fine lines भी नहीं आ रही हैं. You seem to be good. You've got a good nose. You've got a good chin. You've got great lips for a guy.
क्या चेंज करना है?
हाँ. So then the under eye. Do you not think you look a little tired?
No, I'm asking you. What do you think? I think
you do. So, and then you have these little crinkles on the side. Other than that, I would not do anything much. If it doesn't bother you, I would say just do a routine thing.
So you would only suggest...
I would work on your skin quality and that's it.
Okay.
Maybe hair.
Okay, so that's... You would only work on like quality, not do fillers.
I don't think you're a candidate. Maybe in the under eye because, you know, you are in the business of facing the camera. So for sure. Because that tends, you know, you have that little tired look.
Okay.
So maybe I'd want to correct that. But other than that, not really.
Okay. So
unless you come and tell me, listen, I want to look a little more macho and I want that little nice chiseled jaw and all of that. If you tell me that, then we'll work on it.
So I don't know what I want. I just know कि दूसरे पे क्या अच्छा लग रहा है, मेरे को वही वाली चीज़ चाहिए क्योंकि मुझे लगता है जो उस पे अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे भी अच्छा लगेगा. So technically I don't know what I would like. And what would I like on myself? And सबकी प्रॉब्लम, ये सब ऐसे ही करते हैं.
हम हर चीज में वो करते हैं.
हाँ.
When we're sitting in the restaurant ना, वो क्या खा रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है. 3 लोगों ने मंगाया, मुझे भी मंगाना चाहिए.
Yes.
जबकि I don't eat rice, but there are 3 people who have ordered pulao. It must be damn good, so let's get it.
So इसीलिए like your opinion is much more important than mine.
So giving it to the patient is important. Speaking correctly to your patient is important. Showing them the real picture is important. And that's why I said people will come to you as a doctor and आपको दिखाएंगे मुझे ऐसा दिखना है. And I'm like, sorry, that's not possible. It is not possible. But yes, ऐसा आपको क्यों दिखना है, आपको क्या लग रहा है? Okay, so, you know, you have people who have really, really thin lips.
Yeah.
We need to work on it. Come on.
Got it. Okay, so now let's say we established कि मैं एक पेशेंट हूँ, मैं आपके पास आया और अब मैं I'm gonna get my patient hat on. मैं आपके पास आया हूँ फिलर फिल कराने, मैं एक कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. फिलर वर्क कैसे करता है? आपने बोला अंडर आई में करवा लो, वर्क कैसे करता है? क्या होगा?
Right. Let me
क्या करना पड़ेगा मुझे?
Okay, so let's try and understand what is a filler, है ना? So filler is made of a product called hyaluronic acid. You would have heard of it quite often. Yeah, I always tell them it's the nicest sugar there is. The only sugar that does you good.
Okay.
It's actually sugar. It's normally present in your skin. And in a filler, depending on the type of filler that is being used, this hyaluronic acid is linked.
Okay.
And it is of different consistencies depending on where you want to put it. Now, suppose I were to put a filler to create a jawline, I use a product which is more robust, which can emulate or mimic or be like bone. क्योंकि हमें create करना है.
ठीक है.
On the other hand, I cannot use that filler in your lips क्योंकि you want something that is softer, that is more malleable. Now, अगर हम under eye में कर रहे हैं, again, this is an area that involves a lot of movement and expression. So I want something that is more malleable. Now, the question is, why is the under eye looking tired? There could be a couple of reasons. थोड़ी अंदर धस गई हैं. क्यों धसी हैं? There's loss of volume, the fat pads have moved around, aging होती है तो हमारी ऑर्बिट का साइज चेंज होता है जिसकी वजह से और अंडर आई सिंक होती है. सिंपल फंडा, एनीथिंग दैट इज sunken is not reflecting light
Okay.
is going to look darker. So a lot many times you have younger people coming in saying, I have always had under eye since I was born. What does
कि जो
that mean?
अंदर गई भी थोड़ी सी अंदर
क्योंकि उनका जो बोन स्ट्रक्चर है वो वैसा ही है जहाँ पे there was no support. So the skin has completely sunken inside and it's not able to reflect light, and that is why it's looking darker. In these people, if you put in a little product over there, which is this hyaluronic acid gel, it will lift it up. The moment that sunken area lifts up, it's going to start reflecting light and it's going to look bright. हो गया,
That's it.
अंडर आई
और
करेक्ट होगी.
तो ऐसे अब कैसे करते हो? तो लिप फिलर कराना हो किसी को
So
या
पहले numbing लगती है. So numbing is a numbing cream जिससे the area becomes quite numb. Like when you go for a dental procedure, a dentist gives you an
Anesthesia.
injection anesthesia. So we use anesthetic cream. So it's not even injected. It's just applied and it pretty much numbs the skin.
Okay.
So after that you barely feel the prick. Once the prick is made in the surface and the cannula is inserted into the skin, you reach the area where you think you need to put the product and it is delivered there. You come out, you gently mold and you're done.
Okay.
हो गया.
कितना पेन होता है इसमें?
पेन ही नहीं होता ना कि अगर हम नमिंग क्रीम लगा रहे हैं तो द एरिया इज नम, तो दर्द तो होगा ही नहीं ना. एंड अंदर जब स्किन
जीरो
के जा
दर्द
रहे
होता
हैं,
है.
अब दर्द का ना एक होता है पेन टॉलरेंस भी होती है. कुछ लोगों को बिना नमिंग के भी करो एंड उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, एंड कुछ लोगों को सी द थिंग इज नमिंग से क्या होता है, पेन कम हो जाता है बट सेंसेशन नहीं जाएगी.
अब आपने कुछ इधर से मेरे इधर फिल किया या लिप पे फिल किया. ओके.
लिप में तो बिल्कुल ही फील नहीं होता बिकॉज लिप इज म्यूकोजा, वो नमिंग बड़े फटाफट लेता है तो यू डोंट फील एनीथिंग.
ओके.
It's less than an ant bite in the lip. So lip isn't painful at
जैसे
all.
अंडर आई को आप किया
Under eye and maybe the jaw, maybe the cheekbone, or when you're doing the
hurt करता है
jawline,
थोड़ा सा.
because we are going and delivering the product on bone. So the needle hits the bone and kind of scrapes it. तो शायद थोड़ा discomfort होता है, like you feel that sound coming in.
Okay.
But really, honestly, I don't think it's a painful procedure at all.
पर अब जैसे
There are more painful procedures in aesthetics, and fillers isn't one of them.
कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेशंस होते हैं? होते ही होंगे.
होते हैं, बहुत सारे होते हैं.
I know
See,
few complications.
Yeah, so see, the thing is, the most common one would be a bruise.
हाँ.
Because when we are going in, there are blood vessels, arteries हैं, veins हैं, and आप needle से जा रहे हो. हल्का सा भी prick हुआ तो क्या होगा? Immediately blood may come out and you may have a bruise. जैसे कभी हम लोग
लग जाएगी.
चलते फिरते लगती है तो एक bruise होता है. So that is something.
ऐसे भी तो होता है, कभी कभार इंजेक्शन गई और कुछ गलत चल गया तो उसके बाद वो पर्टिकुलर जो आर्टरी होती है आई थिंक
Yeah,
वो
so see,
उधर ब्लड सप्लाई बंद हो गया.
Correct.
And
So
अगर वो
that
ब्लड
is-
सप्लाई बंद हो गया तो यहाँ तो वो स्किन परमानेंट डैमेज हो
डैमेज
जाती है.
सो द मोमेंट यू, जैसे हार्ट बंद हो जाए तो बॉडी डेड हो जाती है, तो वैसे ही स्किन में भी आर्टीरियल ब्लड सप्लाई कॉन्स्टेंटली चाहिए फॉर द स्किन टू लीव. नाउ कभी कभार अगर प्रोडक्ट आर्टरी में चला जाए, blocks the artery. Now it blocks the artery, there's no blood supply to that area. If there's no blood supply to the area, there's going to be cell death or necrosis. Fillers can be dissolved instantly.
इमीडिएटली मतलब कितनी जल्दी फिगर आउट कर सकते हो ये?
As you sit, you can see if there's blanching, if there's certain.
पता थोड़ी चलता है इसी टाइम पता चलता है जब डाला
See,
1 घंटे के अंदर पता थोड़ी चल जाएगा कि ये इधर
So
नेक्रोसिस
lot
होने के
many
चांसेस
time-
हैं.
necrosis होने के chances नहीं है, but that area starts showing signs, and then you're able to figure out that something's not right.
एंड कभी कोई घर चले गया 24 आवर्स बाद या 48 आवर्स बाद पता चला.
See, usually within 24 to 48 hours is also okay. 24 hours में अगर आपने डिटेक्ट कर लिया तो it can be.
किसी ने
either.
इग्नोर करा then
So that is something that you have to always make sure that you give your patient instructions. So there has to be an understanding given to the patient that if you have any side effect, if you have any pain, if you have redness, if you have a bruise that, or if you have a little ulcer that seems to be forming, these are things that you watch out for. Just
बट
it's
एट द
your
एंड ऑफ द डे
chance.
कॉम्प्लिकेशन तो है ना, मतलब
हो ही
देयर कैन
सकते
बी
हैं.
चांसेस.
There are with everything.
मैं कोई अगेंस्ट नहीं हूँ फिलर्स
ना,
और टॉक्सिन्स
ना,
के.
it's okay,
इट्स
not
जस्ट
at all.
एन it's like my responsibility to keep asking about every complication,
No, I
everything
agree.
that revolves around it.
I agree.
क्योंकि ये देखने के बाद ना कुछ लोग कराएंगे और कुछ लोग नहीं कराएंगे.
Which is fine.
तो मैं नहीं चाहता कि किसी को भी
Informed
गलत
होना
आइडिया मिले.
चाहिए.
लोगों को समझना चाहिए कि हर चीज़ क्या हो सकती है.
And another thing which you said very correctly, and I agree with you, you should be aware.
Yeah.
You should be made aware and the right way. So many times it's only the negatives that are highlighted and people just tend to forget to highlight the positives. So that's not true. So complications hai, but complication management is fairly easy.
Filler का toxins का just
One
like
of
fillers
the-
का one of the complication
Yes.
is कि blindness cause हो सकती है.
Cause, so basically क्या होता है कि again like I said, arteries, right? They supply any organ. जहाँ पे artery नहीं supply करेगी वो organ की death हो जाएगी. So same way there are some arteries that supply your eye, right? And these are close to maybe the nose and the forehead and areas like this. And वहाँ पे शायद anastomosis उतनी नहीं हो रही है. So that is the only, it's an end artery literally. So अगर by chance filler उस artery में चला जाता है तो, right? It can cause the artery to be blocked. There is a chance that, there may be loss of vision. Yes, that is.
Permanent?
It is reversible again if it is done on the right time.
कितना time?
I think I've heard of people managing to reverse it even within 24 hours of symptoms starting. So you start feeling haziness and things like that. There have been only, I think, about 20 cases or so reported in the whole world.
Who have gotten blind permanently?
No, who've had some issue because of it, where this was. And
Okay.
there have been cases which show there's been a reversal
Reversal.
in it as well. So
Okay.
it's not that it's not. And
8,
these are,
12 लोग
and
रहेंगे.
इसमें से, out of all of these, most of them have happened because of a nose filler. Because that's the area where
Okay.
the arteries. So
कितने दिन में लोगों को रिजल्ट दिखना स्टार्ट हो जाता है?
this is the best part. On table.
हाँ.
So with fillers, your result is on table.
Like right now.
Right now. Right
मतलब
there. It is so much.
अभी
it
इंजेक्ट
is-
किया अभी
देख
दिखे
लें.
अभी
So,
लिप पे डाला
that-
अभी दिखने लग
अभी
गया.
देख लें. So the fun part of doing fillers is what I call the half and half thing. So I always inject one half of the face and then I show them the mirror and then I tell them, now tell me. All the notions that they had about fillers goes like that. Like people come to me and one of the biggest notions जो fillers के साथ होता है, fillers डालेंगे तो I look fat.
हाँ.
It'll make my face look chubby. So that's the first thing I said, tell me which side is looking slimmer. And it'll always be the one that I've injected first. So seeing the difference between the two sides and the joy it gives them now, that's the best part. Because you see the result immediately. With toxin, result starts coming in about 3 days. 3 दिन लगते हैं. And best results 2 हफ्ते में आता है. Fillers का भी best result 2 हफ्ते में आता है. But 70% result on table आ जाता है.
दिखने लगता
So then immediately they can see.
ओके. एंड तो फिर इतने लोग डरते क्यों हैं फिलर कराने से? अगर एक छोटी सी इंजेक्शन से इंजेक्ट करोगे इतना नॉर्मल है. 20 साल के बच्चे करा लो, 25 साल करा लो, 50 साल के लोग करा लो. सो नॉर्मली और कैजुअली टॉकिंग एंड यू हैव टोल्ड मी ऑल कॉम्प्लिकेशंस. स्टिल फिर इतना क्यों डरते हैं?
I'll tell you, one of the major things that stops people is jobs that have gone wrong. And there's a lot of highlighting of that happens.
Okay. जैसे
At least
क्या?
for the longest. Like, a lip that looks scary. And then
ज़्यादा
everyone's
डाल दिया.
talking about बहुत ज़्यादा डाल दिया, अजीब सी तरीके से डाल दिया, या चिन अजीब सा कर दिया, It's like,
तो रिवर्स नहीं हो सकता?
of course हो सकता है. That's what I'm trying to tell you. That sometimes people just like the way it looks. That is their aesthetic sense. And there is nothing I can do about it. If you look at India में तो कम है lips का. People are very conscious and they want subtle jobs. And that's what I like to do as well. But the moment you step outside of India, people are like all out there with their lips and they like it. It's not our aesthetic sense. So some people may get it done. It's not looking good if they've not dissolved it. Because you know how easy it is to dissolve a filler? Not easy. Takes 5 minutes. Not painful.
So अगर गलत हो गया, किसी के लिप्स बहुत ज़्यादा
बड़े हो गए, you can immediately
दो.
put in a filler and reduce it.
अंडर आई, जॉ लाइन, सब.
Everything. अगर हमने chin किया and मुझे वो chin बहुत बड़ा लग रहा है, I don't think I like it. We can dissolve it. Or if we've done cheeks and you feel my cheeks, they don't look good, or my cheekbones look too high, it can be dissolved, is what I'm saying. It's
इसका
not
बेनिफिट क्या है?
permanent.
Like, कराने के बाद क्या होता है जो लोग को नहीं पता? Is there any side benefit, any other benefit जो people overlook?
You look younger.
That probably is the reason why people do it.
Yeah.
But there's a major misconception कि लोग, actually not misconception, I've also seen this. जब आप लोगों के ऊपर करते हो फिलर्स, कुछ लोग ओल्ड लगने लग जाते हैं, वो इमीडिएटली थोड़े बूढ़े लगने लग जाते हैं इन सम टाइम. Like you can do work, बार बार कराते जाते हैं. That's a major question also online, like people asking this.
If you're doing it for anti-aging, many a times fillers when done in a much younger age group tends to make them look a little more mature. Possible.
Yeah.
Because it takes away that little innocent, little chubby fat.
Yes.
You're too sculpted. You're too perfect rather. And that could be one thing, maybe.
And बार बार कराने से खराब नहीं हो जाता, affect नहीं पड़ता. Like
Sugar
somebody who
है.
started at, let's say, 18 or 21.
So many times it may stay longer than a couple of years. At some point you might say, I don't want to do it anymore, and you can just stop doing it altogether. There are people who do.
और कितना टाइम चलता है एक फिलर?
Usually most fillers last about a year. About a year, depending on what area. So wherever there's a lot of mobility, that is going to last a little lesser.
हाँ, तो जैसे क्या लेस होगा, क्या ज़्यादा होगा?
So less would be 6 months.
6 months क्या लास्ट करेगा और
So
मोबिलिटी
see,
ज़्यादा कहाँ?
mobility, जैसे lips ना, lips will go faster. Under eye area के movement ज़्यादा है, it might go faster. Jawline stays longer, chin stays much longer. If you're doing anything to enhance cheeks, that might go a little sooner. So wherever there's movement in the face, yeah. And also depends on your basal metabolic rate, how soon are you metabolizing the filler.
Okay.
तो वो भी है.
तो अगर लिप्स हर 6 महीने में चले जाते हैं तो फिर हर 6 महीने वापस करा.
Usually most people come back in about a year, 9 months to a year में आते हैं
Okay.
most people. Because बहुत एकदम से एक दिन में नहीं जाता है, वो धीरे धीरे धीरे
कम
धीरे it goes. So you would want to at some point just.
Okay. And if अगर मैंने फिलर कराया या किसी ने भी फिलर कराया या टॉक्सिन्स दिलवाए, फिर वो वापस नेचुरल हो सकते हैं कि एक बार हो गया तो नाउ
Yeah, you go back to where you were. No problem. Yeah.
मतलब ऐसे कुछ भी, does it reverse more, does it harm more, और like जो
That's
आज
it.
दिख
You
रहा हूँ मैं
go
जैसे
back.
वैसे ही वापस
That's
दिखने
what I
लगूंगा.
tell my patients. You go back to where you started from. So if I started my filler say at 35 and I continue doing it till 45, there's a good chance at 45 I'll look around 37 and we're good. And then we start aging from there again if we do not continue.
And cost क्या होती है एक फिलर की?
Fillers could cost you anywhere between 20,000 upwards per ml.
अब लिप्स
सबका अपना अपना, you know, that is
on an
each
average
doctor
कितने
charges. Yeah.
on an average कितने ml डलवाते हैं लोग?
Lip में तो एक ही काफी है.
Okay.
More than enough usually.
Okay. And इधर
And
under eye?
one session तो definitely 1 ml से ज़्यादा lip में डलवाना.
But दोनों लिप्स में डलता होगा ना, तो 1 दोनों होगा.
0.5
अच्छा,
ml
0.5
is enough. Yeah.
Okay. And under eyes?
Under eye could be say about 2 ml or so.
2 ml.
No.
One.
Overall, 1 and 1. I don't
Okay,
think
so
any more.
20,000 to 50,000, like what is
It
the
would
range?
be the range, yeah. For 20 to 60 would be for the under eye. The lip 20 to 25,000 depending on what the doctor wants to charge.
Okay. And अगर कोई बोल रहा है कि मैं 1 लाख 2 लाख 3 लाख वाला फिलर करता हूँ and like mine is better, are they charging just for their brand or is it something better out there?
I think there are about couple of companies that are really, really good. They're FDA approved, they're top of the line, and they're the best in the business, not just in India, but outside of India as well. And after that, it's just really the brand of the doctor and the doctors.
And कोई अगर 2000 में डाल रहा है जो छोटे छोटे सैलून्स में इधर उधर डालते रहते हैं,
That is not good. That is more
और
risky.
कोई डर्मैट है, कोई डॉक्टर बोल रहा है कि 2-3 हज़ार में डाल दूंगा, मैं 5,000 डाल दूंगा.
I don't know what's happening there. I really have no idea कि वो क्या है.
बट होता है ना, you must have heard of it. हाँ, तो क्या होता है ये, वो who are doing these things?
These are, I mean, I don't know who's doing it, but I've heard of it that there are products that are there in the market.
तो बहुत लोग ये कर रहे हैं विदाउट अ लाइसेंस, और जो प्रैक्टिस नहीं है, जो डॉक्टर भी नहीं है, वो डाल देते हैं. बहुत क्लिनिक्स हैं
So I
इन द
think
कंट्री.
that is like, that's what I said. I think the patient needs to be a little more aware.
बट वो लिख देते हैं एस्थेटिशियन, क्योंकि ये तो कोई डिग्री लेनी चाहिए एस्थेटिशियन बोलने के लिए, डॉक्टर बोलने के लिए डिग्री चाहिए ना. एस्थेटिशियन तो कोई भी लिख सकता है.
हाँ, so then fillers should be done with a certified doctor. You have to know, you've got to go and see what is it they've done. Do your research. I think everybody nowadays is right out there and knows what's going on. See their before after pictures.
टेल मी आफ्टर केयर क्या होती है? अब कर लिया, अब क्या?
Okay. couple of things. It's not too much. Will you need to be thoda sa prepared कि भाई swelling होगी. Post the procedure, once the anesthesia wears away, there may be discomfort and pain, right?
कब तक?
सबका अपना होता है.
Still range 2 दिन.
1 दिन 2 दिन. Certain areas में 5 से 7 दिन. You know, that stiffness that might be there. And you can easily take care of that with, anti-inflammatory medications. So painkiller ले लो, anti-inflammatory tablets ले लो. Generally, what we say is, for the face, no steam, no sauna, no massages, right? Because
Sun, swimming.
Well, sun is honestly okay. Swimming is also okay, but if you've done your under eye, I don't want you to wear those goggles because you're putting pressure in the area. So I don't want any pressure, undue pressure. We've massaged it, we've put the product, let it settle there. जब आपका filler आपके normal tissue के साथ integrate हो रहा है, let's not move things around too much or change things around. So that's what you want to be careful of, yeah. These are a couple of things. No facial massages and things like that.
And lifetime facial massages नहीं करा सकते?
नहीं, please कराओ. 2 हफ्ते के बाद जो कराना है कराओ, no
2 हफ्ते के बाद बिल्कुल normal हो जाएगा. Like in touch and do it exact मेरी skin जैसे feel करेगा.
हाँ, and you will not even feel it. Because once it's integrated with tissue, it's a part of your regular tissue. It's
तो ऐसे अलग नहीं लगेगा कि इधर अलग है और ये अलग है skin? Not at all.
It integrates. As I said, tissue integration is the word. Lip fillers, yes, for the first maybe a couple of days, no hot drinks, no kissing, no smooching. Maybe for a week or so till it fully settles down. Post lip filler, there's immediately swelling that happens, and that can look scary. So don't get scared. Most lip fillers come down by 20 to 30% पहले 2 दिन में ही. So yeah. So most doctors do a little extra because they know it's going to come down.
And can you go back to work like next day? कि 2-3 दिन
You can, absolutely. Unless, you have a bruise which is looking not very nice and you don't want people to know you've had stuff done. But I don't think any of it will hinder your working or day-to-day activities in any way. So you can get on with all your routines. Workout, maybe I would say cardio, yes, within 2-3 days you can go to. Lifting heavy weights and yoga, maybe not because you're putting pressure or lying down in certain positions you don't want to. So
ऐसे सो नहीं सकता मैं उल्टा.
सो में इतना प्रेशर नहीं आता है. No.
क्यों?
It's okay.
ऐसे अगर मैंने यही कराया और I'm sleeping no. It's okay. Okay. And क्यों लोग डरते हैं बताने में कि मैंने कुछ कराया ट्रीटमेंट?
Because we all want to be as natural as possible. I just went to a good yoga retreat and that's why I look like $1 million. Artificial kuch nahi, it's all natural. I think for the longest in India, there was a lot of taboo against most of these being artificial. Things are changing now. I think people are coming and accepting the fact that they've had stuff done and they're okay with it.
Yeah, I've not met people जो बहुत ओपनली बताते हैं कि उन्होंने कुछ ट्रीटमेंट कराया है, कॉस्मेटिक प्रोसीजर कराया है. यूजुअली दिस से कि दिस इज हाउ आई लुक. मैक्स लाइक नाउ with all these medifacials and going to dermat and skin boosters, थोड़े लोग हो गए कि
I got a hydro medifacial done and
ये सब लोग बात कर लेते हैं, बट कोई ये नहीं बताता कि इंजेक्टेबल्स के थ्रू मैंने कुछ चेंज कराया, वो बताते नहीं है.
So we always say that word of mouth with fillers is the least. 2 friends will not tell each other that they're both coming to the same clinic and getting the same procedures done.
This is थोड़ा extreme, really?
It is true. Even celebrities do it. They so obviously got stuff done and you ask them and I haven't done anything.
उनका रीज़न है कि वो नहीं बताते क्योंकि उनको बहुत ट्रोल किया जाता है. उनको पब्लिक जो उनको जानती नहीं है, 5 लाख लोग ज़बरदस्ती गालियाँ देते हैं just because they've had stuff. Like ऑडियंस की एक एक्सपेक्टेशन है, एक फॉल्स एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि जो हमारा जो स्टार है वो पैदा ही स्टार जैसे होता है, उसको कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, वो एक्टिंग सीख के पैदा होता है, ऐसे ही दिखता है, ऐसे ही डांस आता है, उसको सब आता है, बचपन से वो तैयार हो क्या है. Right? So they don't like them going through all of these stuff.
But you know what? Things have changed. If you ask me, I've been practicing this for a while now. And what I've seen is that there's a change. It's coming. It's going to take some time. We're still evolving in the aesthetic field as a nation. It'll take some time, but we're going to get there very soon.
And there are more people who will come out and actually वो अपने faults, advantages, strengths, weaknesses, insecurities, procedures वो own करेंगे publicly because they'll be confident about it and then the conversation will go on even further. Because there are few people who I know have started owning up in public.
I've seen that.
Like,
Even they get judged a lot. So then,
but now they're okay, so because they've done it enough, they're like, yeah, whatever, this is it. And tell me, with toxins and fillers, stretch marks and wrinkles हट जाते हैं?
stretch marks कहाँ face पे तो नहीं होते, body पे होते हैं. And see, stretch marks is just
या scars हट जाते हैं?
Scars कम किए जा सकते हैं. Why do you get a scar? Maybe say an acne scar, जैसे pits होते हैं, right? That is because you've had acne, there's been inflammation, and scarring hoti hai eventually, and loss of collagen, loss of elastin, and pits ho jate hain. Now scars are one of the most difficult things to treat, and they're best treated using energy based devices. But yes, you could make it a little better with fillers because you're putting in volume beneath the scar and lifting it. So it is, but again, it's something that we will have to repeat. Marginally can be.
Okay, thoda bahut, not like much. And stretch marks?
Stretch marks is a different ball game altogether. Fillers, I don't think इतनी मात्रा में stretch marks होते हैं कि उतना fillers डालना, it is just not feasible. It doesn't make sense at all. So I don't think so. For that, I think energy-based devices using lasers and stuff is, I think, ज़्यादा better.
Do you personally find like these very tight Korean type face structures more beautiful than little plumpier, normal, ऐसे loose, like the Indian type? What do you personally prefer?
Personally, you ask me, I think I like the way that Korean trend doesn't seem to
sit well with you?
Sit well with me. Just too much. Too much perfection isn't perfection for me. There has to be some line and gives you some character. So I tell my patients, lot many times I've used like they don't want nasolabial. एकदम ये laugh line चाहिए नहीं. तो पता कैसे चलेगा कि life में laugh भी किया है. थोड़ी तो lines होनी चाहिए. And they give you character, I think.
Yeah.
So this is my personal opinion. Having said that, the Korean pop is like all over the place. Everyone wants to suddenly look like the Korean pop singers and all of that, very chubby, round. So I had recently had a patient. She had a picture and she said, I want to have that Korean chubby cheeks and round face.
I met few, like I know Koreans, and then I met couple of them. And there were two specific people I spoke about on them on podcast multiple times because I was blown away by their skin. Like, just forget facial features, like blown away by the way they look. They looked flawless, like a guy and a girl. They looked as if they're just coming right out of the movie. It's like, I don't know what did they do.
What?
Like the hair perfect, eyeline perfect, eyebrows
So
brown.
they are so aware and also understand genetics. It plays a big role. So I want Korean skin. Arey, but Baba, we are Indian. हमारी मम्मी भी Indian, हमारे पापा भी Indian. Korean skin नहीं आएगी. So we can, so the idea should be to look for healthy skin, good glowing skin, and that's about it.
I
so
like
they
marks, I like scars, I like little things like freckles and rosacea, जो आप लोग बोलते हो, all of that. I find them very nice. And same with like little plumpy or like here and there. I think
so
that's you're true.
So yeah, completely flawless is not my thing. But there are people who like it that ways. And well, again, that is their aesthetic.
Fair. क्या pregnant women करा सकती हैं fillers and toxins?
No pregnancy, no breastfeeding.
कभी नहीं.
Contraindicated.
लोग आते हैं लेकिन ऐसे do they come?
नहीं. आके पूछते हैं कि can I get something done? I'm pregnant or I'm breastfeeding, and they are duly told, please get done with your pregnancy, concentrate on that time, finish with your feeding the baby, and then once you're done with that, then yes.
And लोग migraines के लिए भी आते हैं? So migraines can be solved by...
So migraine can be solved with toxin.
It is true.
It is true.
हर किसी के लिए होता है कि कुछ cases में?
You'll have to figure out, but it does help.
Okay.
With migraine.
Okay. What percentage of clients that come to you for aesthetics, उनमें women कितनी होती है, men कितने होते हैं?
If you'd asked me this question 10 years ago, it would be 75 or 80% women and 20% men. I think we're at 60-40 right now.
Wow.
Yeah.
40% men.
Yeah.
Men सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सी चीज़ों के लिए आते हैं? Women सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सी चीज़ों के लिए आते हैं?
Good question. Again, if you'd asked me, say about 10-15 years ago, 90% men came to me for hair. And 10% anything else. But now Yes, but say 50 to 60% for hair and the rest 40-50% for skin. So I actually have people coming in for lines. Like I said, this was an interesting one. I had a CEO of a company saying, I feel I am unapproachable to my team because I look angry all the time. There are people who say I look tired all the time. So yes, these are some things that they come up with. Then of course there's the regular pigmentation. That's very common. Where we tend to pigment easily. So tan, pigmentation, brightening, lightening, all of that. Under eye is very common.
Women?
Women come for everything under the sun. From top to
Maximum.
bottom,
If you had to
everything.
pick one, especially with fillers and toxins, कौन सा सबसे ज़्यादा common in women?
See, I think for some reason people are very scared of toxin. जैसे ही हम टॉक्सिन बोलते हैं डर जाते हैं. I don't know why. It's very quick and it gives you very good results and it's easier to do. Complications are so much lesser and goes away in 4 to 6 months. So you've tried it, experimented, and don't like it, you can never do it again. But for some reason they're really scared of fillers. A lot of them come for lifting their face. So I have a lot of anti-aging. So, you know, there's a little sag that's come in and they want to just get that little lifted, fresher look. That is common. And the second most common thing is under eye. Under eye is very popular because that little tired, sad looking
It's more
expression
common
that
in lips
comes.
as well.
Lips, not that much really. We've spoken so much about lips in the younger, but I don't end up doing that much because I think in India, people are still very scared of the judgment that comes with getting a lip filler done.
Okay. Maybe.
But we are getting there because if you go outside of India, I mean, I was traveling the last year and anywhere I went, whether it was the US, it was Europe, Korea, Australia, everyone's had their lips done. So I look and literally everyone has had their lips done when you go abroad. India, that's not the case yet. At least we're not there yet. It'll come eventually, I'm thinking, but not.
I know more people who have done lips than I know the maximum people hair transplant, then lips, and then under eye. Like these are
Under eye, see,
jawlines like lesser.
under eye, jawline, these are things that people don't tell also, na. And wo itni jaldi, it's usually not so obvious.
हाँ.
Like a lip is a very obvious thing.
मैं तो
like a hair
जितने
transplant
बताया जितनों में उसमें से.
उसमें से, हाँ. But under eye is very easy to, camouflage as, I've just been rested.
क्या करना चाहिए स्किन के साथ या प्रॉपर खुद के साथ कि फिलर्स या टॉक्सिन्स लेने की जरूरत ही ना पड़े कभी?
Okay, now.
Like how can I beautify myself without all of this or without injecting?
Really good makeup.
वो सारा good makeup can do everything.
It can. I think it could. Yeah, I think so.
What's more harmful? A makeup regularly for next 5 years कि 5 साल तक हर साल fillers
Well,
कराना?
you have the patience to do so much makeup. It'll take hours and hours. See, it's always good to have a healthy lifestyle. It will always go a long way. If you're exercising, you're eating well, it shows on your skin, not just on quality. You will age slower because aging is a lot of external factors. If you're talking about aging, we were discussing that fillers and toxins are for anti-aging to begin with. Now, when you're using a filler and toxin for anti-aging, well, you just overall have a healthier lifestyle to age better.
Okay.
Correct? Now, if you were to do a filler and a toxin to enhance a feature which you didn't have to begin with, or lips which weren't there, or chin, uska to hum kuch kar hi nahi sakte na. That is something that you were, it's an enhancement.
Got it. Okay. Here's the last question. This is for everyone, right? Convince whoever is not being convinced why somebody should ever think of getting a filler or a toxin. किसी को लग रहा है कि यार मे बी मैं अच्छा नहीं दिखता या नहीं दिखती या मैं भी और अच्छा बेटर दिखने लग जाऊंगा या लग जाऊंगी, तो मैं कैसे अच्छे दिखूं? और मैं अभी बॉर्डर पे हूँ, मैं मे बी कराना चाहती हूँ फिलर या कराना चाहता हूँ फिलर्स, पर आई एम नॉट कन्विंस्ड येट.
Take the risk or lose the chance.
Of looking really, really pretty.
See, I mean, till you do it, you're never going to know, right? So you might as well get it done then and then see. And if it doesn't work for you, it doesn't. We all make mistakes which we correct. But till you do it, you're never going to know. You're never going to find out. So I'm going to tell you something interesting. I did my filler at the age of 38.
Okay.
So I was sagging.
Okay.
Aging. So,
ठीक है.
yeah. So I'm someone who's aged much faster than I thought I would. Being a dermatologist, I still didn't think at that time that I could have looked so much better. And when I got it done is when I realized, oh my God,
Oh.
why didn't I? And it's subtle, you know, if you see them, it's not that it's a very drastic change, but it's just a sweet
Subtle.
change, meetha change, you know. Looks nice.
कोई ऐसा आया है आपके पास and she or he वो पहले इतना ज़्यादा confident नहीं था and then after this the levels have just gone crazy?
Yes. I have so many stories. I have so many beautiful stories. It makes me feel so good.
Tell me more.
I recently, there's a story of this baker. She's a baker. She bakes. She's a beautiful baker. Makes the most beautiful cakes. And she'd come in for a procedure. She had her procedure done. And then she went home. And she said, in so many years, the first time my mother complimented, she said, "Kya itni achhi lag rahi hai." She said, it's so good. And then recently she sent a picture to one of my staff. She didn't even send it to me. This is me 1 year ago and this is me today. And I feel so good about myself.
And कभी कभार ना एक self improvement का या self confidence बढ़ाने का loop start होता है इनसे. एक
Yes.
procedure, maybe it sounds like a procedure for others, but let's say अगर किसी
It's
ने
a little push in
is
the
a
right
little push कि
direction.
अगर उनको लगता था कि यार मे बी ना मैं इसलिए अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ क्योंकि बिफोर इवन आई स्टेप आउट लोग मुझे जज करेंगे बेस्ड ऑन माई लिप्स, बेस्ड ऑन माई चिन, बेस्ड ऑन माई अंडर आई. एंड जब वो करेक्ट हो जाती है देन उनको ये इनसिक्योरिटी खत्म. सो नाउ दे लाइक आई
Able
एम
to
गोना
concentrate.
टॉक मोर,
Yeah.
आई एम गोना गो आउट एंड स्पीक मोर, एंड वंस आई स्पीक आई एम गोना इम्प्रूव माई स्पीकिंग, आई एम गोना इम्प्रूव दिस, आई एम गोना इम्प्रूव दैट. मैं वर्कआउट भी करूंगा, मैं ये भी लाइक इट्स अ लूप ऑफ
It's a
पॉजिटिव
loop of
reinformation
Correct.
and then people keep
That's what I said. No,
like,
get up
lot
in the
of
morning
motivation.
and you're looking in the mirror and you're like, you're there. And then you step out and you're like, I can deal with anything today.
in the world.
It happens so many times with me. I haven't slept, I haven't done anything. And then I get up in the morning and my face is swollen. On that day, work seems like dead. And some days you wake up, your skin's looking great. You should see me at
Yeah.
work. I'm like all over the place. Like positive. उस दिन मुझसे जो पूछो yes, yes मिलेगा.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for being a lovely guest and answering all my
Thank you.
questions.
I don't know. What
was-
did I do? But yeah, we tried.
It was good. You must not be doing for everyone in every clinic. ना मतलब possible ही नहीं है वो. तो आप
That's
तो
not
बहुत-
possible. We train our doctors and
जब
फिर
किसी को
उनकी
आपसे
training
कराना हो
भी
तो
होती
then
है।
it's a
वो आते
premium.
मेरे पास no and
But
it should
then
not
हर
be
किसी के
based
साथ
on
कर नहीं सकते ना.
अभी उतनी famous हुई नहीं हूँ।
अच्छा अभी हो जाओगे ना धीरे 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 धीरे.
अब हो जाऊंगी ना I'm figuring out रुद्राक्ष अंबानी अब हो जाऊंगी।
थैंक यू सो मच ये एपिसोड एंड तक देखने के लिए. अब आपको 3 चीज़ें करनी है. सबसे पहले इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो क्योंकि जितना आप सब्सक्राइब करोगे उतने ही बेहतर और वैल्यूएबल गेस्ट हम ला पाएंगे आपके लिए. नंबर 2, मुझे कमेंट्स में बताओ इस एपिसोड में आपको क्या अच्छा लगा और क्या गंदा लगा ताकि हम वो मिस्टेक्स रिपीट ना कर पाए. एंड कौन से ऐसे गेस्ट हैं जो आप देखना चाहते हो वापस हमारे पॉडकास्ट पे ताकि हम उन्हें लेके आएँ और आपको ज़्यादा ज़्यादा वैल्यू दे पाएँ. एंड नंबर 3, ये एपिसोड किसी एक इंसान के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करना क्योंकि one conversation can change someone's life. I'll see you next time. Until then, keep figuring out.